welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're going to present you a beautiful new built apartment that is located on the first line of the beautiful beach and of the Mediterranean Sea in the area of Punta Prima. So in this area we have so many wonderful things to enjoy apart from the beach and the sea, because we are located very close to La Denia. We also have many areas with commerce, many nice restaurants. One of the best of the area is located right on the side of this apartment. It's the Nautilus restaurant, recommended. And in this area you have so much of a good vibe. A lot of people call this area like the Beverly Hills of Alicante, because it's true. You have a really nice, amazing feel to live here. You have so many services, and the best, of course, apart from a quality area, also the quality of this apartment. So let me show you around and introduce you here. Let's start by the first terrace. We have two of them in this apartment, and this is an apartment oriented to the south. So as soon as the sun goes a little bit more there, we already gonna have again sun here, and we have it right when the sun comes up every morning. So as you can see, it's a huge space. You can put even some lounges or a nice dining area in here. But let me bring you inside and show you what this apartment offers inside. It's just so wonderful, spacious, and of course it's a new build. It's sold in this state. As you see it, you have the bathrooms and the kitchen fully done, but the rest of the apartment is left for your imagination and creativity, for you or a designer, so you can have the best out of this space and give it the best usage. The space allows you to put the most wonderful dining area, the lounge, and of course here, as you can see, let's check the kitchen, because we have a nicely L-shaped kitchen which is already fully equipped with Balai appliances. Also, what we have in this apartment is a second terrace. So I think this is the most usable when it's too hot in the summertime, because this terrace goes to the north. So when it's too hot, like for example July and August, you can come here and enjoy the fresh air, and of course another place with wonderful sea views, and you can enjoy it from this secondary terrace. Now let me bring you here again. And I want to make mention about the entrance area. We have all of this space where we can put some another furniture to store the things, but we also have a wardrobe. So we have a lot of space to store our belongings. And let me show you now the first bedroom. So this is the small bedroom, as we can call it, but still look how nice space how much space we have. We have a built-in wardrobe, and of course we have huge, very nice quality windows with, of course, electric blinds. And since in this apartment we have centralized heating, we also have the conditioner in that room. Now let me bring you to the other part. So let me show you the first bathroom of this apartment. And when we enter here, we can see that it's a nice space, and of course in a new build everything is so nicely designed nowadays. And want to make mention that we have floor heating, and we have a big nice shower plate in here, and also we have sliding doors for convenience. So now let's come here. This is a second room. It's a little bit more spacious. We have again good quality windows, and we again can enjoy the nice sea views to our beautiful Mediterranean Sea here. And of course we have central heating and the built-in wardrobe. Follow me to see the next one. This would be the main bedroom. It has a lot of space. It has an ensuite bathroom, and it has another design, and I like it a lot because this is a touch like of marble, and it looks really nice. Of course we also have floor heating, and let's show you the room now. So in here we as well have beautiful views to the communal areas, to the pool and the sea. So I wanted to come here to wrap up about this wonderful apartment because it's a unique opportunity. We don't have many apartments, even new builds, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in such a great location. We are literally on the first line of this beautiful view, and you can enjoy it and have it. And I love the price for the last, but I want to mention why I think this is such a nice opportunity, because this area is both good for investors or people who want to live in here. Because if you had the dream to live in Spain in such a nice area where we have this beautiful climate, because right now it's October and it's still warm and nice here, if you wanted to live here, you can have this apartment. All the needed features are in this apartment. You have wonderful qualities, you have big space, which is sometimes lacking in other promotions. You have a lot of space to enjoy with your family, friends coming over. Here you have 2 terraces, and also what is included is a full storage space and a garage. Underground parking is quite needed because a lot of people will come here to go to the beach, to enjoy the sea, but you will have your own parking space, the storage, and of course this wonderful quality apartment. You have 3 pools, you have jacuzzis, and you have nice communal areas with green area and real grass. So it's the first line. It's a wonderful opportunity. If you want any more information, guys, you can always contact me. You'll have my details right here on the screen. So if you need that, just send me a message and see you on the next one. Bye.